आपने एंकर बनने का नुकसान देखा? Guest gets to hug the arriving actress. The anchor has to watch. Gigi, very, very nice.
The hero looks like Amir Khan. I mean, he said he's just the same. He's just the same. You must work with him. And I came on the set, and there I see Shah Rukh.
No.
Taken
did you say
aback.
he's Shah Rukh or did you say he's Shah Rukh?
No, I
which
said
was the
this is
reaction?
Shah
She
Rukh.
called me in the night and said, "This is Amir Khan."
हाँ.
पूरा एपिसोड देखिए ZEE5 पर।
फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी was a fabulous film and a fabulous film. फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी की बात आई तो जाहिर है कि उसके क्रू और डायरेक्टर साहब वगैरह की बातें। अजीज़ साहब से तो आपकी वाकफियत काफ़ी है और बहुत शुरू से है ना। अजीज़ मिर्ज़ा साहब।
अजीज़ मुझे बहुत पहले मिले थे जब मैं टेलीविज़न सीरियल में मैंने उनके काम किया था। सर्कस। उससे भी पहले वागले की दुनिया में एक एपिसोड करने में बॉम्बे आया था। और जब मैंने वो ख़त्म किया तो मेरी my mother was very unwell. She was on a deathbed. And we started shooting Circus at that time. And I was working with you also during that time.
My name, sir.
Yes, I left the schedule in Kasauli and gone.
Yes sir.
And एक मेरी तमन्ना ये थी कि हम अपना जो पहला, क्योंकि सर्कस पहला मेरा बड़ा सीरियल था कि बॉम्बे में शूट किया था। उससे पहले दिल्ली में किया था तो वो फिल्मी बात नहीं थी उसमें। तो एक मेरा बहुत शौक था कि मेरी मम्मी को मैं वो पहला एपिसोड दिखाऊं। So I remember Aziz coming to Delhi with that first episode.
Oh, that's nice.
And we tried to show it to her in the hospital. We took special permission and put it on television to show it to her. But by then she was very delirious and she didn't recognize me.
Okay.
That time I think she only recognized Dilip Kumar by then. हो गया था कि शाहरुख खान कुछ नहीं. So she couldn't see it, but that's when Aziz came and I remember him telling my mom, though she couldn't make out anything, that don't worry, he'll become an actor. He'll become a famous actor and one day he'll be, inshallah, like Dilip Kumar.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Let me hear this from the man we spoke about. Aziz Mirza साहब. हुजूर, आप जब शाहरुख से पहली बार मिले तो क्या? What was that occasion?
मैं बैठा हुआ था दिस रूम में और मैंने देखा ये एक लड़का है वहाँ से निकला एंड दिस लिटिल चैप एंड इवेंट एंड उनको एक फ़ोन करना था तो इस मैं यूज़ द फोन तो आई लुक्ड एट एंड वो बैठ के ही स्टार्टेड रिंगिंग अप आई डोंट नो कुछ देयर वाज सम केमिस्ट्री समथिंग वर्कड ऑन और मुझे याद है राजू हमारे रिमेंबर राजू वो प्रोडक्शन में थी तो मैं देख रहा था तो मुझे हाथ में रिमेंबरिंग हारून मैंने कहा this is Harun and that's I mean that was the bonding.
Did it any time strike you that this man has this kind of potential?
See फारूक मेरी पैदाइश तो फिल्म में ही हुई है तो मुझे पता नहीं कि चढ़ान उतार जो मैं इससे भी कहता रहता हूँ कि these are phases in life, up down, these are all phases, but I was always confident कि he's an actor and that is the strength. अगर आप एक रोल कर रहे हैं और आप सही ढंग से कर रहे हैं that is the strength and this boy has it. At least does have it.
अजीज साहब से शुरुआत हुई, आपकी शुरुआत के दिनों के ही एक और जनाब हैं जिनके बारे में मैं आपको कुछ यहाँ दिखाता हूँ.
As usual, they invited me to this party in the studio, but I may not be able to come. So I'm doing this thing on video for you. Congratulations, best of luck, have a great life. This is not the end, this is just the beginning. Have a great year.
विवेक वासवानी साहब जो हैं इनके बहुत शुरुआत के दिनों के दोस्त हैं, इनके शुरुआत के प्रोड्यूसर्स में से एक प्रोड्यूसर्स हैं और इनसे बड़ी मोहब्बत करते हैं. इन्होंने कहा कि वो नहीं आ सके. एक और साहब आ हैं जो इनसे कुछ बात कहना चाहते हैं. आपने एंकर बनने का नुकसान देखा? Guest gets to hug the arriving actress. The anchor has to watch. Gigi, very, very nice. इससे कहते हैं जख्मों पे नमक छिड़कना. जी आपकी शाहरुख साहब की अव्वल फिल्मों से एक फिल्म वो थी जो आपने उनके साथ की थी. मुझे याद है कि तब आप ऑलरेडी काफ़ी एस्टेब्लिश्ड स्टार एक्ट्रेस हो गई थी. शाहरुख साहब की शुरुआत थी What really caused you to agree कि भाई हाँ मैं इस लड़के के साथ काम करूँ?
Actually, it's quite a cute and amusing story. It's true, I had already done about 3-4 films and I was a star.
Yes, from your first.
Yes, and when they approached me for Raju Ban Gaya Gentleman, I didn't know even Aziz Ji. I had absolutely no clue about Shah Rukh. He was very famous on his serial Fauji, but you know, being a star, I hadn't been watching television, so I hadn't seen him. And I really didn't know what he looked like. So Vivek Vaswani, who was the executive producer,
we
I
saw
think
him. Yeah.
you just saw him. He is quite a smooth talker and he can charm you. And he came and met me and he told me, oh, it's a wonderful story. And you know, the hero. Okay, this is the one. This is the person who found doing the film. He said, the hero looks like Amir Khan. I mean, he said, he's just the same, you must work with him. And I said, yeah, that sounds great. I mean, I'd just done Qayamat with him. And I came on the set and there I see Shah Rukh. And I'm quite taken aback.
He's Shah Rukh, or did you say he's Shah Rukh?
No, I
which
said,
was the
this
reaction?
is
She called me in the night and said, "This is Amir Khan."
I mean, he's quite a contrast to Amir.
Yeah.
In the way he looks. That was the beginning. I mean, when I saw him, he was like thin and brown and hair all over his forehead and small. And I said, that's
Okay, all the girls are allowed to beat them up.
आपने जब हाँ कह दी और काम जब शुरू किया, तो what was that experience like?
It was very nice. I mean, I still remember right from his first film, he never seemed like he was new to the whole unit. He kept us laughing all the time. He was so amusing. And he was just as energetic even then. He used to do tons of rehearsals we used to do for every shot. And it was just like, it was very, very nice. I mean,
Please, sir, Aziz bhai, आप आई गए?
No, I just remembered. I knew Shah Rukh. So there was a new boy amongst all these people who were veterans. So immediately I took a one-shot scene. And this boy performed.
Okay.
It was a total one-shot scene. And this boy had to make all those movements, and he was good. And I knew the moment they see the scene, there will be a total respect for the boy. That no, he is a newcomer, but he knows his job.
yeah, he was really good right from day one. And he was a wonderful co-star.
Great.
Really good.
शाहरुख, तीनों ने आपके बारे में बहुत अच्छी बातें की. आप प्लीज या तो सरेआम या मेरे कान में बता दीजिए इसमें से सच कितना है.
No, I've promised them check is in the mail.
Okay.
Everybody's talking like this. So they were also wonderful. I just want to say I'm quite surprised that I've been speaking to Juhi. Yesterday I spoke and she's in Hyderabad. And she said, I'm shooting and I'm really sorry I can't come for your program. I said, okay.
called you and said I was in Dubai.
Yeah, and another friend of mine called up and he said he's in Dubai. And then of course all this. So you guys have me fooled. But I just want to tell you, it's very nice to be here with people. And I'm saying this from the bottom of my heart. Who actually, there are 3-4 families in Bombay because of whom I found a family. I'm from Delhi and I'd lost my parents and gone there. And these 3 people are the most responsible for me feeling that I could become an actor or successful. But I've eaten their food. No, I'm telling you honestly, I've eaten their food. I have slept in their houses. I have worn their clothes. Wrong combination. Worn their clothes.
I don't lend my clothes.
No, I've really, really lived off them. And whatever I am today or whatever, and I don't think it's some wonderful thing that I've done. But this is the family which gave me a break in a brown, scrawny boy, as Juhi says. And I thank them.
That was quite a brown scrawny boy.
पूरा एपिसोड देखिए ZEE5 पर.